Hey you guys, I am back with another video. Today I'm giving you a grown and sexy woman quick Valentine's Day look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, I want you guys to keep on watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment. It lets me know that you guys want to see more of these types of videos. Also, it lets YouTube know that you like these types of videos as well. I am LaTersa, and like I said, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. All right, you guys, so I'm starting with a fresh blowout dry head of hair. And yes, my hair is growing. And yes, I wanted to make this video as quick as possible, but I want to do some things off camera so it wouldn't be too long. So I'm just parting my hair down the middle and parting a little bit from ear to ear so that I can get the ponytail going in the back first. I think this is easier for me, especially when you want that sleek look. You got to do it in sections, honey. So I'm just parting that, and then I'm going to start my ponytail from the back.
Here we go like that. Here we go like that.
So right here, I'm just taking my little gel here, and I'm going to start forming my ponytail in the back. And I use different things, but that's my Aunt Jessie's No More, I forget the name of it, but I have it linked in the description box for you guys. So I'm just taking it and parting it in sections. Girl, when you're natural, you cannot do a whole ponytail at one time. You got to do that thing in sections, especially if you got thick hair like I do. So I'm just putting that gel all throughout my hair so that it'll lay flat. And that's what we're doing here.
If your girl only knew that I would want to kick it with you. If your girl could only see how you be calling me, getting fresh with me.
The key to making your hair lay down is to have that hard brush. And this little baby right here, this is my all-time gem. I had a different one that I used on one of my last videos, but this one has worked just the same. It's that sleek wax that's good. It keeps me from having to put a whole lot of gel in my hair. It just lays my hair. I don't know what's going on with my light right here, but it just helps lays my hair down better, and I don't have to use as much gel when it comes to putting my hair in a sleek ponytail. But yeah, it's going to be pretty soon time for me to get an edge up at the back because my kitchen is growing crazy here. And then, like I said, once I get to the part in the front, I take it and part it in sections and then gel it down. That keep me to help me get that sleek look. And I use a combination of gel and that wax stick and a little edge control. I use that to hold it down in place. And I just brush my baby hairs out. And like I said, you just keep forming it until you get it to how you like it.
Here we go like that. Here we go like that. Here we go like that.
If your girl only knew that you was trying to get with me, what would she do? If your girl only knew that you was kissing her to talk to me, she would probably leave you alone, probably curse you out and out. If your girl only knew that I would want to kick it with you. And if your girl could only see how you be calling me.
You got to get in here with that wax and that gel, because you want this is gonna really make or break your ponytail. You want your hair to be as sleek as possible. You just got to keep working with it, girl, until you get it the way you want it. y'all go see at the end. I'm gonna show y'all some bloopers of what happened. Y'all gonna get a kick out of this. But you got to get it till you get it till you get it till it's pleasing to your liking.
Curse you out and unplug her phone. I bet she'd be glad that you was gone. And then she wouldn't have to worry. If your girl only knew.
What you saying, what you saying, what you saying, huh? What you saying, what you saying, what you saying, huh? What you saying, what you saying, huh?
If your girl only knew.
What you saying, what you saying, what you saying, huh?
And now I'm just going to tie it down, lay it down while I do my makeup. And trust you me, it's going to be sweet, simple. Y'all know I don't wear a lot of makeup, but honey, it is Valentine's Day, and I like to do things a little special for Valentine's Day. So super simple, something you can do really quick. But yeah, let's get into it, girl. So the first thing I'm using is my primer by Marykay. I always prime my face first. It just helps me to lay my foundation. Well, I don't use foundation. I use the tinted moisturizer. That's what I use. And then once I put the primer on, I go ahead and do my eyebrows. And it's very simple. I just brush them up. I had already kind of edged them up a little bit before I got on here. And I just draw them in a little bit and then clean them up with my concealer. So you will see.
Here we go like that. Yeah. Here we go like that. Yeah. Here we go like that.
I know, you guys, it looks crazy right now, but I'm going to clean them up. So no worries. But it looks crazy, I know. But just keep watching.
If your girl only knew that I would want to kick it with you. And if your girl could only see how you be calling me, getting fresh with me, she would probably leave you alone. She would probably curse you out and unplug her phone. She'd be glad that you was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. She's crazy to put up with you, but I won't be no fool. What you see, it ain't easy to get with no.
And I'm just, like I said, I'm using my tinted moisturizer and just going to blend it in. Fun fact, this milk can be used for your lips and cheeks. Just realized that when I was reading it. And now I'm going in with my little neutral palette. I always use this palette. Just putting a little highlighter at the edge of my eyebrows. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes.
like that. Yeah. Here we go like that. Yeah. Here we
Yes,
go
I even
like
broke out a
that.
little red pinkish like lipstick for Valentine's Day. Oh. And my favorite lip gloss and just my lip liner. And I used 2 packs, a pack and a half of braiding hair for this look, because I wanted my ponytail to be thick as possible. So I'm gonna leave a little bit out because you want to clean up your ponytail, make it look as sleek and natural as possible. So I'm gonna kind of hold this in my mouth. I know that sounds crazy, but I'm gonna hold it in my mouth so it can get out the way. And then I'm trying to braid my hair, my real hair, up under the braiding hair. So like I said, I found this hairstyle on YouTube and I'm trying it out because I've always wanted a long, sleek ponytail. I didn't want the braided look, but because I didn't feel like flat ironing it, so I went for the braided look. And I'm just using jam to make the ponytail look as sleek as possible. And when you're braiding, you want to braid it as tight as you can. I'm doing the best I can because y'all know my right side is a little bit out of commission, but I'm braiding it as tight as I can. And then just gonna finish that up.
You alone. She would probably curse you out and unplug her.
I am really feeling this look, you guys. It's like when you get your hair done, you just want to get up and be cute, even if you ain't going nowhere. And that's why I want to encourage you guys, even if you don't have a significant other, even if it's just you, love on yourself, you guys. Valentine's Day is not just for people that are married or in a relationship. It's for everybody. If you have kids, love on your children. If you have family or parents nearby, love on your parents. Love on yourself. Most importantly, go out to the movies. Go out and do something fun today. It's the Valentine's Day. It's a day of love, which is a day of love every day. Learn how to love on you. And when God bless you with that man of your dreams, honey, he'll know exactly how to love you because you've been loving yourself the right way. So he's going to follow suit. So be encouraged, you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. I hope this inspires you to do something pretty for yourself. Do something nice for yourself. And go out and have fun. Life is too short to be waiting for something or somebody. Enjoy your life. And when God is ready to bless you with that husband, that amazing man, he'll make your path cross path. Trust me. I believe that, and I want you guys to believe that as well. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope this inspires you, encourages you to do something nice for yourself. I'm really feeling myself, honey. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going somewhere, honey, because this is just too stinking cute. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video.